okay. There's a bunch of stores out here. We don't have to leave the parking lot. We can just make our way. Now I know where I am. Yeah. So Olive Garden should be right there. Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, I know where I am now. Okay. Well, let's go into Nordstrom right first. Doubt I'll buy any purses today. Oh, look at this little purse. That's cute. The little lavender looking one right here.
The little blue one. It's a big open space.
That's blue?
No, I'm talking about that blue.
Oh.
This is black. This is blue.
So that one I like. This Kate Spade. It's a good size right here.
That color.
You got that color?
Mm-hmm. It's in a tote.
Well, I guess the person who has every purse would have that color. Going back over to this little pink one by Aldo. This is cute. And it's soft. $39.97. Just buy some pink little sandals. We shall see. Now she needs no purse. I mean none. She don't need no purse. That's cute.
It's alright.
Who's it by?
It's a guess.
Oh. Oh, this clearance. And I'm not talking clarence. It's clearance. Recycled. It's 9 West. $16.48. I don't think I like that. I gotta go get mine from the middle of the aisle first. Kathy, this is what I wore in high school. These kinds of shoes. Yeah. And those ones with the little strap going across and the high platform, like Reggie kind of thing. Mm-hmm.
Ain't that good?
I ain't gonna say he did good. But what I'm gonna tell y'all is that he did take my money.
So don't come in his line. And I ain't getting you no receipt. Tell him I ain't getting you no receipt on top of it.
And now y'all, he
Look, this so you can't see all the stuff that I rung up on.
See?
That's why he's trying to keep
For
the
some
receipt.
reason, I can't find your receipt. Yeah. Let me see here.
But did it go to my email?
Well, I still, just in case I'm,
Y'all don't have a policy if you don't get no receipt, you get the stuff free?
I doubt that.
No. Any stores got that policy?
I don't think so. Recent.
Y'all, he trying to focus now. Because I want free stuff.
I got the receipt.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, we're
It
going
was
to move from this
emailed.
one because I don't know what's going on with this printer. And just in case I have a customer that does not have that email in place, they're going to find out that I done rung up extra stuff on it. You can figure that out if you want. I'm going to make it. I don't know, but it's the third customer I had.
I get everybody in on the blog today, y'all. Everybody coming in trying to help him out after he done cheat me out my money.
Want to print, but it's getting jammed. Got you linked again, and you said no boxes to be used.
Can I get the next guest chair?
I'm looking at all this stuff you bought. Well, you didn't buy no shoes. You bought ships.
I know, right?
I bought, you said ships. You wait till
God,
Okay,
this guy,
$299.44.
yeah, I tell you what.
Say, watch out for him. He's a scam.
$2.99.
Oh, girl. Yeah, this one here.
I guess you got a good deal on those shoes.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna pick one. He wanted all three. I'm like, what?
Which, I mean, at that size, it's probably hard to find shoes, so it's smart to go ahead and get them while you
It is. It is.
Because most people do exactly what you do. Gee, whenever they wear a size that we don't have, they buy everything.
Nicer than others.
Right. Now, you said you were going to do something for me today, but I want to get it on film so you don't change your mind. Now, what you say we going to do?
We going in Ross and Marshalls.
What's the other part about food?
I had a grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, I know you did it.
You had Velveeta.
I'm going to just leave it alone. My graduation.
What about your graduation?
Oh, Lord.
Oh, I forgot about it. I could have been there.
I'm going to cut off this this clip right now, okay? What are you supposed to do for me today? Oh, for my graduation? For me?
What you talking about?
She is going to take me out to eat for graduation, for my graduation. She already said it, and I'll do a clip of that. But yeah, she told me that out of her own mouth, and it was not the side of her mouth that she said it. I'm gonna walk into Ross, and also right down from Ross is Marshall's. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Good. On our way to Outback for my graduation free meal. Because she loves me. She loves me. This is exactly how I am walking today. This is a wonderful message, and we should all take it to heart. Right, Kathy?
Yes.
Over the menu, or do y'all still want to?
Oh,
we're ready.
I'm hungry.
I got you. What can I put in for y'all?
The ribeye and the shrimp on the Barbie.
Barbie. How's your steak?
Medium well.
You get two sides.
Okay, I'm gonna have the sweet potato.
Sweet potato?
Uh-huh. and
Yes, ma'am.
You
Broccoli, salad, mixed veggies, potato soup, rice.
Oh, what kind of
potato
veg?
soup? You said what kind?
Is it loaded
It's a-
potatoes?
Yeah, it comes with cheese, bacon, chives on top.
No, but I need some vegetables.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, water and rice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what's the mixed vegetables?
Zucchini, carrots, and squash are mixed veggies, and broccoli are those seasonal.
I'll have the mixed veggies.
Okay.
And I don't like exactly what she has, but I want broccoli.
You want your medium well also? Are y'all sweet potatoes? Did y'all want them with peanut butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon?
Yes.
But I'd like mine on the side, not in it.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
They can fix both of the same.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'll put that in. And I'll
All
give y'all
right.
menus.
Thank you.
Whatever y'all spray, hand sanitizer, whatever. It's so good. I like it.
Thank
I
you.
need some. There's some in my pocket somewhere, but I don't need to go down in there if you got
I don't
some.
like to go in.
So sweet. So sweet.